Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to enroll face eSSL biometric machine. Model is MB160 face enrollment. Okay, let's start the video. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon, press OK button to enter menu. This machine is locked, unlocked by admin. Okay. After user manage, okay. New user, okay. Select here face, press OK. Now follow the instruction on the display. Okay. In your eyes, in rectangular box. Okay. Enrollment is in process, please wait. Enrollment is complete. Escape to back. Now check enrollment complete or not. Enrollment is complete. Thank you.